Breaking news tonight, the first confirmed case of the coronavirus on the East Coast, as unprecedented emergency restrictions go into effect tomorrow.
A quarter of the world's population is now living under some form of lockdown due to coronavirus.
Of Justin Hilly and the 16 of Nathan Saxon, both taking over, going over the curbs. They're throwing those MX-5 cars into the air.
Yeah, seeing Saxon in that flat-out motorsports livery on there, it's like, oh, this might as well be a spec Miata race.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
Evans has another little blink down the straightaway. He's going to have a run here. Can he send it?
Here comes Saxon up the inside and dive into roller coaster up the outside lane. Here he comes around the outside. He's got it, but he's wide. Stevens back down the inside lane, and the 41 is off. Halcyon comes back through.
There's a car side by side down into the bus stop. Halcyon trying to dive it into the corner to get ahead of Harley. Harley gonna still maintain his line and stay ahead of Halcyon. Now here comes Saxon out of nowhere, back up the inside of the 94 as they go through the carousel.
Perfectly timed. He put that car in exactly the right spot, Saxon did, to fill that gap as soon as the 94 wasn't able to complete that pass. Now Hornet's Nest around 8th or 9th place, but Nathan Saxon is gonna come through turn number 10. An excellent race for him. He started on pole. He's gonna come on through this time, and he'll pick up the checkered flag. Nathan Saxon will win. Spec MX-5 Challenge, round number 4, race 1 from Watkins Glen. Behind him, they've all sorted it out somehow.
On the inside, you know, through, and Saxon's joining the battle again. It's going to be 3 wide. Oh wow.
This is
okay,
not.
That was,
this is
that
not
was pretty close to the pit wall.
That is not that's not the battle that Sven de Vries wants to be holding. Sven de Vries.
No, but he's come out in front.
That's great. And look at Gindy's back
and
in
Saxon's
third position.
Second.
Wow. But Saxon now in second, just off the back end of Sven de Vries. There is an opportunity, and a opportunity still for Johnny Gindy if Saxon wants the race win. Saxon, do not make contact here with Sven de Vries. You do not want Johnny Gindy coming to the inside.
Gindy on the inside.
Oh my God, Johnny Gindy going to the inside.
He's going to get it as well.
He's going to get his second position, but Saxon's going to cross back over, and it's going to be a drag race as Sven. One that is especially with when they're not when they're starting from a stop position, as Saxon's going to go to the outside here, maybe into a hard braking zone. Johnny Gindy will have the braking zone if he can stay side by side into the left-hander that's coming at the end of the straightaway here. But as we mentioned a little bit earlier, it is this track has many passing opportunities, and this is one of them. But it looks like Saxon is going to go through. Johnny Gindy finding himself back in second position again with the likes of Garcia off of his rear wing.
Garcia's closing even further. If it was a lap longer, I'd be saying Garcia is looking very hungry at the moment. But Nathan Saxon's going to come through the final corner to take victory in the Skip Barber eRace series. The first time that he's done so. Great drive from Nathan Saxon, as well from Garcia.
atmosphere never to come down. I'll stand alone, whether right or wrong. It takes me home, right where I belong. Back down, only one way out. I'll let you run my life. Now you won't get me down. Untamed, guess I lost.
A dance or something? Or is he a gangster? One or the other. 16. Saxon. Okay, so where the heck did he come from? He's starting way farther back. He's now leading, so good for him.
What the hell?